Many of my clients wonder whether they're really making the best use out of their therapy time. Therapy can be challenging. It asks you to be present, to go into meaningful and sometimes sensitive areas, to take time out of your day, and of course, there's also the financial investment. It does cost money. So it makes sense that you want to feel like you're doing it right. So what should you bring to therapy? There are different approaches. Some, especially more psychoanalytic or classical approaches, would say you don't need to bring anything at all or plan anything. You just come as you are with your thoughts and associations and allow the present moment to guide you. And that actually includes many other approaches as well that use this guideline, because really our past, our present, and everything we've been through is always with us at any moment, and how we feel and how we relate in each moment and in the room and in relationships. So whichever approach you take, it is okay to come as you are and allow your mind and body to show you where to go. At the same time, there's something very important to understand: the difference between the content you bring and noticing the process. Content is the story. What happened, what you said, what she said, what you thought, what you experienced. Process is what is happening right now as you're sharing the story. How do you feel in the room? How do you feel with your therapist? What is happening in your body? Are you calm, nervous, stressed, numb, shut down? Are you worried about saying the right thing? Do you want to sound smart? Do you wonder if your therapist likes you or understands you? Do you feel annoyed if they forget something? All of that is very important, because what you experience in the moment inside the therapy room often reflects your inner world and your patterns. You can also choose to be more intentional in your therapy. Sometimes, doesn't have to be all the time. You can come in and say, I want to work on my relationships, or I want help with anxiety, or I want to focus on something specific. That can help make the work more directed. Another important area is trauma. If you have memories or experiences that still impact you today, it is really important to work with someone who is trauma-informed. A trauma-informed therapist can help you decide what to work on, how to pace it, and how to support your nervous system while doing that deep work. Not every therapist is trained in that trauma work, and it really, really does matter, so you remain safe. You can also bring dreams to your therapy if you remember them, which is great. Write them down, because writing them down and bringing them into the session can sometimes open very meaningful work. If it helps, continue doing that. If not, it might not be the right time or approach. Another topic that is often avoided but important is sexuality. Even if you don't go very deep into it, it can be helpful at some point, at least to open the conversation and see if there's anything there that feels important, stuck, connected to shame, connected to sense of self. Bring it in. There are also approaches that focus more on giving tools, especially for calming the nervous system, working on schedules, and regulating your mood. That could help either as a main therapy or just to support your deep therapy. In the beginning of therapy, there will be time for assessment. This is where you share your story, begin to understand what might be happening, identify goals together with your therapist. One of the most important parts of therapy is how you feel with your therapist. As I said before, if after some time you don't feel comfortable, well, it doesn't always mean that it's the wrong therapist. Sometimes that feeling itself is important and worth bringing into the room, especially if you are aware that this feeling happens in other relationships. But at some time, connection really does matter. And if you truly don't feel you can open up. After a while, it's okay to find someone else because it is important. So to summarize, you can come as you are. You can also come with intention. And it's very important to not only share the story, but also pay attention to what is happening inside you as you share it. That is often where deeper work happens. And if you're not sure how to approach therapy or what would be the right fit for you, of course, you're welcome to reach out for free consultation with me, and we can think about it further together.